flavorful fall-off-the-bone lamb together with rich, musty mustard sauce. This is going to be awesome. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're going to make mustard-braised lamb shanks with Iberian lamb shanks from Covap. This is a very straightforward recipe, so we might as well start cooking. We're going to open the package with the lamb shanks. We're going to season it with salt and pepper. So we're using our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. We're going to add a little bit of oil in a hot pan. Now we want to brown the lamb all over. When ready, remove it from the pan. We're going to add some diced yellow onion, about half an onion. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of garlic. We're going to saute this for a couple of minutes until the onion is translucent. Then we're going to add half a cup of cognac and reduce down. We also want to add 1.5 cup of good lamb broth. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and stir. Now we're going to place the lamb shank back in the pan again. We're going to throw in a couple of sprigs of thyme. We're going to put the lid on the pan, lower the temperature, and now we want to braise this for about an hour. After an hour, we want to flip the lamb shank over. We're also going to add some soy sauce. We use smoked shoyu from Haku. Want to put the lid back on again, and now we're going to braise this until we reach an inner temperature of about 202 degrees. The lamb is ready. Let's remove it. Place it in some aluminum foil. We're going to add some herb butter and wrap it tightly. We want to pass our braising liquid through a sieve and then pour it back into the pan again. We're going to add some nice unsalted butter, and now we're going to reduce this until we get our desired texture. Going to pour this into a bowl, remove the lamb from the foil and add to the bowl, and then this beautiful Iberian lamb shank is ready to serve. And that is how I make mustard-braised lamb shank with young Iberian lamb from Covap. So let's try it and see what it tastes like. Nice lamb flavor complements the sweetness of the mustard sauce. This is really good, and I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.